Dati?
Mapunta lang sa Lion sa Baguio, masaya na. Ngayon, Hollywood. Tapos dati, iniinom lang namin yung Alaska. Ngayon, pupuntahan na namin siya.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Be humble. Sit down.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Kinda. Ooh! Ah! Whoa! My heart. Whoa! Listen to no more! Welcome nga pala sa Hollywood, guys. Ganito kalupit dito, guys, sa Hollywood, no? Yung kanilang parking ay solar powered operated. Galing, oh. Ayun yung Hollywood. Ayun!
Dapat doon tayo.
Kaya picture mo? Naka-picture ka na ba?
Oo,
Okay na yun, naka-picture ka na.
Naman ganun. Sinom ko lang yan, 0.5 pa. Halika na, tara.
Sige, tara. Dito kami ngayon sa may observatory. Dito yan sa Hollywood, guys. Ayun yung Hollywood. Pupunta rin kami doon. Pero ngayon, observe lang tayo muna dito. Ganda, oh. This place. Punta na kami doon sa pinakamagandang spot ng Hollywood sign. Kasi ito, this is just observatory. Ayun na, guys, yung Hollywood, oh. Kitang-kita na.
Guys.
Iyan, oh. Hindi kita sa GoPro. Nasaan na yung Hollywood? Nasaan na ba? Ayun! Nakita din. Ayun na yung Hollywood natin, no? Ayun. Ayos, malapit tayo. Ganda. Tara. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Hollywood. Ayan, no? Yung mga kasama ko, takbuhan na agad eh. That's the Hollywood sign. Naki King Jong-un, yung mismong Hollywood natatakpan. Dito yung dalawa. Yan. Up, dyan ka lang, Tito Bong. Dito ka konti, ate. Yan. Hindi, dito tayong dalawa, mami. Ay, sige. Jump shot yan. Teka. Di pa tayo naka-record. Okay. 2, 3, jump shot. At takpan ko si King Jong-un. Dito ako sa gilid. 2, 3. Woo! Okay. Sadly, hindi ko kayo mabigyan ng drone shot kasi bawal po ang drone shot dito. Happy pa rin kami kasi ang ganda. Yung nakikita mo lang sa TV ngayon, narating ko na. Ha? Dati, makapunta ka lang. Makapunta lang sa
Lion sa Baguio, masaya na. Ngayon, Hollywood.
Level up.
Ha?
Level up.
Level up. Tapos dati, iniinom lang namin yung Alaska. Ngayon, pupuntahan na namin siya.
Bukas nasa Alaska na kami.
Alaska na kami. Ang buhay nga naman.
wala pa ring tatalo sa Alaska.
You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you. Yeah. Be humble. Sit down.
You drive.
139.
Alright. Gonna pay cash.
Okay. So, how much is cost again?
159.
100 más 20.
Plus 20. Okay, 139 plus 20.
Philippines. My favorite is Tapsilog.
Tapsilog.
Because I live in Dubai for 16 years.
Nice.
Many Filipino.
So, many Filipino in Dubai.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done.
30.
You my driver? Okay.
I'm Paul. Nice to meet you. What's your
I'm
name?
Alfred.
Alfred. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Ella.
Is it only you two?
Sorry?
Is it only you two?
Yeah, only us. Mami, tanggal na.
Malapit na, isa na lang.
Uy, dyan pala yung compartment niya. Akala ko makina yan eh. Yeah, I thought the engine is here.
No, it's electric engine.
It's-
These are the wheels. And
This
the
is a
back.
compartment.
Yes.
How about in the back? Can I see the back?
Also, of course.
Yeah, we're going to see on the back. This is the compartment.
Okay.
Wiper. Oh, touchscreen. You can also touch there. Can you show me how to open the door? Oh. Can I experience here?
Here, go, go, go.
Oh, soft touch only. Just like touching an iPhone.
You
Wow.
have to press down.
Okay.
Like this is a button. It's not.
Okay.
If you touch, it doesn't work. You see, if I
It
do
won't-
this, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
You gotta press.
Yeah, okay.
You see how wide the door is? It's
Ooh.
gigantic.
So wide. Look at the door.
Bulletproof. You can shoot.
Oh, this is a bulletproof.
Yes, you can shoot bullets. It won't go through.
Okay. What's so nice? It's bulletproof pala. Oh, nice. So this is the back of the Cybertruck. Now we see the back of the Cybertruck. It's so huge. It's nag-roll siya hanggang dun sa dulo. Oh. Wow. Ooh, galing, no? Kaya pag sumasar naman.
Oh look, this is a truck, but it's very quick.
Oh, real?
Yeah, look.
Whoa! What kind of truck is this?
I know, Cybertruck. That's what kind of truck it is.
Ooh.
0 to 60 is faster than the Ferrari.
Guys, tignan nyo kung gaano ka-high-tech to. Look at all of that sensor. Everybody.
It knows the blinkers. It knows if the car
Yes.
is braking. It knows everything. It sees the light.
Wow.
People walking. Yeah, it's
Even
really
there's a motorcycle. Oh, there's a motorcycle.
Yes, it's very
Yes.
smart. It
This
tells
is
me
a-
when the light is green. Goes.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
It tells you everything.
You have the house they used in the movie Creed 3 for Michael B. Jordan. It's
Oh.
being mentioned here.
That mansion.
Yes. In
Oh.
Creed 3, Michael B. Jordan is in there.
One thing I like here in the Cybertruck. It feels like you see everything. Look at the view.
Awesome. You see how long
Yes.
the windshield is?
Even-
It goes almost to the front of the car. It's like a
Yes.
bus. You have plenty of room to park.
Yeah. Oh, no stopping anytime, it said.
Of course, we stop here.
You're a king here. You can stop here.
Yeah, the
Even
boss
though they
has been
say
here
no.
13 years. He has no trouble here. It's fine.
Okay. Grabing experience to.
Here, the big red house is the one Leonardo DiCaprio
Leonardo DiCaprio
used
house.
to stay here when he.
That mansion?
Yeah, I mentioned yet.
Okay. Wow, this is the yacht mansion.
A lot of it influenced
How much is 28 mil?
a week.
to
How much?
rent it, and the renovations to make it look like a yacht were
$20
$20 million.
million just to make like a yacht. Okay.
Of the Cybertruck, and fun thing, if you want,
Yeah,
you
we
can even
should go there.
Should get in.
That's how you open this one.
Okay.
This is solid.
Meron silang talian dito. Ayan. Tapos,
At the back.
ito yung likod ng Cybertruck. May na-adjust na talian dito. There's a good roll up here. Ganda ng roll ups niya. Goes down hanggang dun. Wow. This is a nice truck.
Open this.
Open. Ready.
Okay, how to open it? There you go. Let me get down first. Oop, yeah. Come here. Okay. Let's go.
Because this is also bulletproof.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, it is very wide. All this is bulletproof. The door, like I hope you got a shot of the door because it's just like
How about the...
huge door.
Yes. How about this? Is this bulletproof?
This I don't think it's very solid. I don't think it's bulletproof.
Yep. Nice. Ito dapat ang magkaroon tayo, mami.
The thing Cybertruck is that you always think you're closer than you are, because it's like a bus. Like after the windshield, it's straight down.
Yep.
So you can move up a lot actually.
Let's go. Ooh. Ooh.
And with the Teslas, when you let go of the gas, you have the regenerative braking that charge the battery, and you don't actually need to press the brakes. Like right now, I'm not braking, but the car
Yeah.
is braking and it's charging the battery only.
Wow, nice.
So this one is a self-drive also.
Also, I've never tried the self-drive.
You don't trust
I
the
don't
self-drive
trust it.
mode.
Also, I haven't had the time to look into it to see how it works. But I definitely want to try it because I think what you have to do is set a route where you want to go, and then you can put the self-drive and it will just drive you there.
There's no compartment here.
You have a compartment. I don't remember how you open it, but it's automatic. It looks cool. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Kinda. Ooh. Ah! Whoa! Woo!
Only 75.
It's only 75, but it feels like 140.
Exactly.
Woo!
That's what's crazy about this track.
Ooh, God.
If you want to put your phone, it's also a charger.
Oh, this one is a charger.
Yeah.
Is this the key?
Yes. And you put it here. If you take it off,
It will stop?
yeah, don't do that.
Can I try it?
No.
Wow. You know what? I'll try it.
Okay. Try it on the stop.
Oh
Oh.
no. Okay. You just need to put it here to start driving, but apparently it doesn't stop the car.
It doesn't stop because you're moving already.
Yes. So it's only to start the car. Apparently. You see, I'm learning this.
Ah, you're still learning. But you
First
drive
week of-
like a pro.
Well, I've been a racing driver since
Oh.
I was 7 years old.
Oh, nice.
I started with the go-kart.
So you are a racer.
Yeah, I started with the go-kart, and
Oh.
then you have 3-speed go-karts, which is like more advanced go-karts. And then I came here, and
Okay.
I was with the Ferraris. And
Wow. I used to race also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of car is?
A motorcycle.
Oh, that's cool. I'm really young. I'm 21.
You're 21.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You're young.
I'm 25. Yeah. I just look older.
Not that old.
How old I am, you think?
I would say between 25 and 30.
See? I told you. I'm 25. Whoa!
And that was only 35 speed limit.
Yeah.
It's just so quick. Feels like the G-force is a lot.
Yeah.
And here you have Justin Timberlake's house. And
Oh, that is a Justin Timberlake
yes,
house?
And it's also in GTA 5, Franklin's house.
Yeah, it's in GT5, yeah?
Yes, Franklin's
That house.
That house at the top.
Wow. Oh! What a G-force is that? So cool.
It's really fun, this car.
Yeah. I wish I could buy this in Philippines. I
We
should
waited
own
5 years
one
to buy.
this.
Wow, 5 years of waiting?
Yes,
for
5
this
years of waiting. And we paid almost double the price for it.
Double the price. So how much is this?
Well, the one we have, we paid over 200,000 for it. But the first pre-order was around 100,000.
Wish I could experience to drive this car.
Well, you don't have a driver's license.
Yeah, I have.
But you should have dropped.
Oh, because there's a different price.
Yeah, it's true. It's $15 more.
Woohoo! This is fun. Oh, very good driver. Woo. My
Worry no
heart.
more.
Whoa! There's no more. I wish I could ride you with my Ducati. But this is one. This is 75.
This is pretty
But
soft.
the feeling is.
Oh yes. Like
Wow.
it pulls you back. Even Ferrari doesn't do this. Like how you get like this. If you put that's something fun. We can
The
maybe
Ferrari
try.
cannot.
It's not as strong.
Oh, really?
When you the pickup when you are at the stop, it's not as good because the electric engine, since it's a straight, is mounted on the wheels. You can deliver full power, the 600 horsepower from the beginning like this. With the gear ratios in an engine car, how it works is the more the engine revs up, the more horsepower you get. So when you're at a stop and the revs are pretty low, you're not getting for example, Ferrari's 570 horsepower, you're not getting 570 horsepower from a stop.
Yeah.
It slowly builds up and you have a perfect rev amount where you have the 570
Yeah.
horsepower. That's the cool thing with electric motors. You have all the power like this.
Yeah.
So that's why you can just, whenever you want, just go.
How long
5,
this
6.
can truck go?
Pretty long. I think it's got a range of
600 kilometers?
I don't know in kilometers. I'm from France.
Oh yeah, your miles. In Philippines we use kilometers.
In France also, and it's a lot better the kilometers. I'm ashamed of myself. 340 miles.
Oh, 340
So in
miles.
kilometers, I don't know. 340 miles.
That's a lot. It's around 600. This is so fun. Oh, we love it. Enjoy it so much. And thank you for being a good driver.
You're
For
welcome.
letting us to experience the rush.
Yeah, without being scared of me crashing.
A little bit scared.
A little bit. I'm not gonna crash. Don't worry.
Well, how's your experience on Cybertruck?
Ang ganda, ang ganda. Sana soon magkaroon tayo ng sisipagan ko pa.
Ako din. Napakatalino, no?
I like it.
I never expect that the truck can do that.
Oo, di ba? Ang layo-layo pa alam na niya na may tao dun.
Grabe.
Grabe.
Talo pa ang sports car, mga kamanibela. Sana magkaroon na ganun sa Pilipinas, no?
Meron na sa Philippines.
Sobrang practical to have that. Very environmental friendly. At napaka-safe, no? Lahat.
Very bright.
Yeah,
Ang talino
napakatalino ng Cybertruck. Dream car ko na siya ngayon.
Alright.
Dati ang dream car ko, yung mga V8 engine, yung mga ganyan, mga sports car. Ngayon, ang dream car ko, Cybertruck na. Ay, maraming salamat mga kamadibela sa pagsama sa amin. At magkita-kita tayo to the next episode. Let's ride!
Ciao! Laging tandaan, mata sa kalsada, kamay sa manibela.
Let's go!